As every day goes by, institutions of cultural, educational and national importance are being dismantled one by one under this Labour government, from our health service to the health of our cultural and education institutions. The First Minister will have heard the rally on the steps of the Senedd today. 400 jobs on the brink at Cardiff University. The National Museum closed, cuts to the Arts Council, the loss of a national theatre, a world-renowned music department going, the land of song being silenced on Labour's watch. And at the height of an NHS nursing crisis, Labour's message is that it doesn't care about those who want to make a career out of caring for others. We now have, don't we, a very generous budget deal, says the First Minister. But why does she seem to know the price of everything but the value of nothing?
Wow, there were about 16 questions there, weren't there? Really? Look, let me be clear. I do think it is important that we recognise the extreme difficulty, in particular in Cardiff University. I think it's a very unsettling time for staff and for students at the university. I think Cardiff is one of the jewels in the crown of our higher education sector in Wales, and we need to make sure that it's built on a solid foundation.
Our institutions are collapsing around this Welsh Government, and all I've heard in relation to higher education over the past few days is a minister washing her hands of responsibility. Higher education is something that Welsh Government can influence and control its funding for the future.